Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're gonna discuss about how we can use a copy condition in web method. So basically copy condition we can use if you have a two variable and if you want to copy the one variable into other variable. Before that we need to mention some condition. So if condition get true, then this particular variable get copied into other, otherwise it won't be copied. After that, once we click on the particular variable and once we mention the condition, before that, if you need to mention the property copy condition as a true, then the condition will execute. So let's start the demo. So as usual, we already created two documents here, request and response. So now we will create one empty flow. By clicking on this new and flow service option, I'll create one empty flow and give the name copy condition 1. Then finish. So as usual, the empty flow got created, guys. After that, as per the requirement, first we need to define our input and output. So request document I already created and I'll give the name as I'll just drag and drop the request in input and give the name as the request. Similarly, in response, in output, I'll just drag and drop this response document and give the name response. So here you can see the parameters. The member is a document and having a three parameter. Also response, employee is a document having a three elements, employee name, employee ID, and employee salary. So just click on the tree tab. Before that, you need to save the demo so that you can see the pipeline. After that, here you can mention one map step because to mention the copy condition we required a map. So I just click on this map step and here you can see the properties, comments, scope, timeout and label. This label also in case if you have a branch step and where you can mention the instead of sequence you can also use a map step to describe our condition. So you can mention your comments, map the request document. So here you can see the pipeline in and pipeline out. So request document I'll expand and response document I'll expand. So as per requirement, I want to copy the member name to employee ID, member ID to employee ID, and salary to employee salary. So, but before that, if member ID, member name condition get true, then we can copy member name to employee name and also similar to salary. If the salary condition get true, then salary get copied into employee salary. So here you can see the line color is like black in color. Okay, so I just double click on this particular option. Now you can see the properties here. The I'll expand the particular panel so that you will get the exact idea. Okay, here you can mention your like we already set the property as a true. Here you can mention the condition. I'll reset the perspective because I won't be see the particular value and parameter. Okay, So it already set the property as a true. Here we can mention the condition. So click on this particular three option. First we need to copy the, again I need to reset the perspective because something went wrong. See guys, once I click on the member option, here you can see the property as a true. So just first we need to copy this member name variable, copy it, and now again double click on this particular link. Then the perspective got changed. Here you can mention your condition. Click on this three icon and make sure that, yeah, this is a criteria. Whenever you mention the condition in percent tab, you can mention your variable, and after that equal to single colon area. This is our condition. If this member name equal to area, and if this condition get true, if this condition satisfied, then member name get copied into employee name. So just okay and save it. Again for this salary variable, just we first copy it. Just right click and copy. Also click on this double click like blue line, sorry, black line, and here you can mention the condition. Just click on this particular three dot. Here you can mention percent, then condition equal to, sorry, greater than equal to 50,000. So if this salary condition get true, greater than or equal to 50,000, then salary get copied into employee salary. Then okay, save it. Now as I already discussed, like if we mention the condition, then first, the line was black. Here you can see the line color is blue. So whenever you in project, whenever you mentioning, yeah, whenever you design your code, like previous code you already designed, and wherever like in that case you already see the line color is a blue, then you can easily identify the copy condition. The previous developer copy condition already mentioned. So I'll run the demo. So just click on the empty space, right click, run as flow service. Here member name I'll mention as Arya, member ID I'll mention as a 78, and salary I'll mention as a 50,000. Then I'll do okay. I'll expand the result. Here you can see the condition got true because we already mentioned the name as Arya. That's why member name get copied into employee name and Arya. Employee ID we didn't mention any condition. That's why it automatically got mapped to 78. And employee salary, this condition also executed, satisfied. Employee salary it's also equal to 50,000. Now we'll see the false condition. If the condition not true, then what will happen? Run flow service. Here I'll mention area A as a capital. Member ID I'll give a 79, and salary I'll give the 49,000. Then I'll expand the result. Here you can see member name condition not satisfied because in web method the capital and small case not similar. That's why the member name not copied. Salary also not satisfied. Salary condition also not satisfied. Then this condition, this salary variable also not get copied. Here only member ID got copied into 79. So guys, that's all about today's video. If you like this video, then please do subscribe, share, and comment. If you have any query, any concern, so you can just use the comment section. You can feel free to mention your comment. And also subscribe to my channel, guys. Your subscription is our motivation. Thank you so much. Have a great day.